In this video, I told the news about Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu's metaverse has taken to Twitter to share an exciting announcement. While inviting the community to the Rio Plaza Fireside Chat scheduled for December 8th, it says it will be giving away one free shib, the metaverse silver fur land, to a lucky participant. The burn rate of one of the biggest meme tokens on the market dropped massively. Such a drastic decrease in the burn supply of Shiba Inu should be considered a negative factor, especially during a bleeding cryptocurrency market. But there is a solution. Shiba Inu's burning mechanism does not work in the same way as Ethereum's. Instead of automatically burning part of the transaction fee on the network, SHIB has three specific addresses that users voluntarily send funds to and remove tokens from circulation. Technically, no burning mechanism exists on the network. Funds are simply sent on wallets that no one will ever be able to access. However, it is enough to decelerate the inflation of the asset. Strong spikes in burning volume are fueled by individuals or firms that pledge to burn a certain amount of tokens. The lack of burning volume shows that firms are experiencing a drop in Shiba Inu revenue or have no spare tokens to burn. The only way to provide more burning volume is to fuel the revenue of companies that pledge to use the part of the Shiba Inu tokens they got from selling goods or services. Some users might want to use SHIB as a means of payment, which should help the network to accumulate more volume to burn. Unfortunately, small batches of tokens to burn do not provide as much value as needed to affect the price of SHIB. Since October, Shiba Inu has lost more than 40% of its value, making the last 2 months among the worst periods for the token. Thankfully, the recovery of burning might bring investors' attention back to the prominent meme token. The composition of various on-chain and market indicators is showing that Shiba Inu remains in a poor state in terms of price performance and might not show us positive price performance for the foreseeable future. But investors should not panic yet. Into the Block's data consists of 6 indicators, most of them moving in the red zone in relation to Shiba Inu. The current state of the token is indeed depressing, and metrics like net network growth and large transactions confirm the thesis. In addition to the depressing growth pace and a decreasing number of large transactions on the network, SHIB is experiencing a plunge in profitability as, with the profit-taking of the majority of early Shiba Inu holders, the network's profitability dropped to the new low, with almost 60% of all SHIB holders not making any profits from holding the notorious meme token. The market performance of Shiba Inu has not been near the performance most crypto investors would like to see. In less than a month, Shiba Inu lost more than 20% of its value and had no chance to recover since then. But despite the lack of positive movement and depressing performance in the long term, SHIB is not doing exceptionally badly compared to the performance of more serious assets like Ethereum or Cardano. The current state of Shiba Inu has been caused by generally depressed market conditions rather than the problematic nature of the Shiba Inu token itself. Unfortunately, the stabilization of Shiba Inu's holder composition did not help the token to gain more self-esteem on the market, and it will most likely remain unprofitable until a global recovery. The market is finally recovering after weeks of depressing performance, and numerous assets are reaching pivotal points at which a long-term reversal becomes a possibility. Unfortunately, there is still a long way to go to cover the losses the industry experienced after the FTX implosion and the prolonged bear market. According to the 4-hour chart, 2 moving averages might form a popular golden cross, which is often considered one of the strongest bullish indicators in general. Unfortunately, the cross on timeframes lower than 24 hours is not as valuable as the same signal on the daily chart. One way or another, the cross will be the first sign of an upcoming reversal for Shiba Inu, which has been moving in a severe downtrend for almost 200 days. The most likely reason behind the negative performance is the distribution of funds on the network. During the insane bullrun SHIB had in 2021, the percentage of retail investors who held the asset only to sell it at a modest profit reached almost 80%, which is a critical number for any kind of asset. As soon as the price of the token reversed down, most retail traders added fuel to the downtrend by selling their holdings as soon as possible without looking at the losses they were facing. The profitability of the token tumbled from almost 100% to a critical 30%, which made it extremely unattractive for retail investors. Through 2022, whales were the only group of traders that had been actively purchasing the token without looking at its price performance. But even with the support of a large buyer, another rally for SHIB was impossible without the help of many retail traders. The only scenario in which a reversal would be a possibility for Shiba Inu would be the recovery of the cryptocurrency market in general and the return of upward volatility for the token, which may attract some retail investors back. Since the majority of Shiba Inu holders are whales rather than retail traders, the selling pressure should not be a problem amid the potential rally acceleration. According to Into the Block's data, more than 54% of SHIB owners are long-term holders and only 7% gained exposure to the token less than 1 month ago. Thank you for watching my video. Follow my channel.